thought we were strong throughout today, though. I thought we kept our shape really well, defended well at times, and looked really good going forward. But it was it was a bit of blow at the end.
Yeah, someone said a cruel mistress. It hits the post one end and then at the other end.
Yeah, of course. It's what the game comes down to, I suppose. It's hit the post and come out, and there's a hit the post and gone in. So it's a blow in terms of that, but that's football, and we're still well in this group, and it's early days.
Yeah, where does this leave you? Because Ireland won today, a big win for them in Vienna, and you've got to go there. Is that a must win?
I wouldn't say a must win, but it's a massive game. We're going to go there, obviously still full of confidence. We've been doing well recently, and it's important that we go there and put a sort of display on we did tonight. I thought we played really well, apart from conceding the goal, obviously. And we'll go there, and it opens the group right up, I suppose.
Yeah, you played with two up front. That's a bit unusual for you. How did you find it?
Yeah, great. It's great working up beside Hal and the two lads in behind. So I think we look really good in that shape tonight, and it's important that we build on that for the next one in March.
So do you think you guys are now a target in this group because of your success in the Euros? Neil made that point about the way they celebrated was like they thought this was a major result getting your squad.
Yeah, of course. That's something we know we've got to deal with, the expectations now coming off the back of the summer. So it's important that we do deal with that, and I think we have done, but we've got to we've obviously just got to come back and focus on the one in March now.
Yeah, because do you feel that you need to really know if that's a draw, would a draw be enough because they're 4 points ahead, really?
Yeah, it's still early doors. We're still 4 games in, so there's a lot to play for, and it makes it obviously more important that game against Ireland.
Thanks.
Cheers, no worries.